There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2022 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody Jailbreak in Smoke Show. If you're looking to make a splash, this is the car. Bifunction HID projector headlamps, wide body competition suspension, 20-inch satin carbon wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. This thing has it all. 27,000 miles on the odometer, upgraded 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, Dodge SRT performance pages, heated rear seats, power sunroof. It's got a monster 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D7817.